Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Nicole Lins here. If you are new, welcome. If you are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so you are part of the family. Also, make sure you hit that notification bell so you guys are notified every time I do upload a new video. I'm trying to do 1 to 2 videos every week. So yeah, you don't want to miss out on that. Make sure that notification bell is turned on. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this look right here. It's a very simple everyday makeup look. This is what I wear on an everyday basis 90% of the time. But yeah, it's very easy, not a lot of products used, just very simple makeup. Who doesn't like that? Anyone can achieve this look. This look goes great on all skin tones. This eye right here. So if you'd like to see how to get this look right here, then just keep on watching. So first I'm going to prime my face. I'm using the POREfessional by Benefit. Just where I have my pores. My largest pores are in my T-zone area. And then I'm just going to apply the rest to the rest of my face. Ignore this. I don't know what's going on, but this monster likes to say hello. So we're just going to ignore that today. And then I'm going to be going in with the 24-hour Super Stay Foundation by Maybelline. Alright, next up I'm going to be going in with concealer, just using some Tarte Shape Tape. Hard for anyone else to get a straight line down their nose. I feel like I can never do it. With my beauty blender, I'm just gonna dab that out. I'm so hungry. I really want Chipotle. All I'm thinking about right now is food. Go figure. So I'm just going to go ahead and set all my concealer now. And I'm not baking, I'm just setting, but I'm using the Beauty Blender. I'm thinking of doing a 1 brush makeup challenge. I don't know if I've ever seen anyone do it. I mean, I've never seen anyone do it. I don't know if there's videos like that go around, but I was thinking of like doing an entire eye look and face all with 1 brush. I have an idea in mind of how I could do it. Let me know down below if that's something you guys would be interested in seeing, because I'm actually kind of curious to see if I can actually pull that off. So next up, I'm just going to be bronzing my face with the Hoola. If you haven't noticed by now, it's the only bronzer I use. And just to bronze it up. I'm not going to do too heavy of a contour. Just work the product in. And I just use this Morphe brush. It's like a little domed brush. But I use this to blend out my bronze. If I do a contour, I go in with like a skinnier brush. Sometimes I'll just take the brush that it comes with, or I'll go in with a smaller brush, carve it out, and then I'll use this brush to blend it out. But if I'm just bronzing, I just use this. I don't know why. The left side of my face is so hard to blend out sometimes. Moving on to blush. I'm just using MAC Melba and just a Morphe blush brush. I'm going to smile and just put it on the apples of my cheeks and drag it back. Really blending it in with that bronzer. Sometimes I'll add it on my nose as well, just to give like a little sunburn effect look. I used to hate blush actually. I would never wear it. I only own, I think, 3 blushes total. And they all are about this shade, this Melba shade. They all are the same. I don't wear blush every day, but this is like my go-to. It's my go-to makeup look. And then with the stippling brush, I'm just using the Sigma. Wow, this is clearly super old. I don't even have the... Okay, yeah. I don't know what this is, but it's a Sigma, just a stippling brush. I'm just gonna go and blend that all together. It just like helps the two products mesh together and melt, look more blended and natural. For highlight, I'm gonna be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter. And then on my nose. And then I like to bring it down the bridge of the nose as well. And then I just take whatever's left on the brush and just rub it on my forehead. I don't go back in. And then I take a little bit on my Cupid's bow. And then take the rest on my chin. Then going in with the soft Glam palette, I'm taking Burnt Orange. And I'm just gonna take the brush it comes with, the fluffy one, the fluffy end, and just dust that all in my crease. And I go in circular and windshield wiper motions. This look, it doesn't really matter because this is a Mercier look. It's all one color I'm going to be using, so I don't have to do any blending. And then I'm going to take it down onto the eyelid. I don't want to bring it too high up, and I also don't want to bring it too far out. So I'm just trying to keep it in the, just feel your eye. I keep it in within the hollows of my crease. I do have hooded eyes, so I do have to bring it up a little higher. I actually bring it like right onto the bone, like right when I feel the bone, and then that's where I stop. And then with the other end of the brush, I'm gonna go back in with orange, burnt orange, all the same color. And I'm just gonna do it on the lower lash line. You can be sloppy with this. You don't have to be clean. You just don't want to get it too far out. So it's gonna look a little scary at first, but it will all come together once the lashes and everything's done. I'm just gonna repeat this process, do the same thing on this eye. And when I go in, I put the product in the crease, like where the indent is. That's where I put the initial product because that's where the heaviest amount of shadow is going to lay, obviously. I don't want it up here. So then what I'm going to do is I'll just take it and blend it and slowly work it up. Up over that hood that I'm so blessed to have. And I like to just connect these two, the top and the bottom, just so it's all a nice line. Okay guys, so I'm back. I went ahead and filled my brows in off camera just because they take me forever, and I really like to focus on what I'm doing, so I just did that off camera. So next I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Big Shot Mascara and just prep my I am going to be wearing lashes today, so I'm going to coat just one coat of mascara. I just love this mascara. Like, it just gives me so much volume to my lashes, and it really does lift them. I don't know if this formula is different than the original Colossal Big Shot. This is the one with Shayla. I'm not sure if it's different or not. I think it's the same, but don't quote me on that, it could be wrong. But it's really good. It's probably like my 5th one I've gone through. So if I'm in a rush or just going somewhere quick, this will be the end of my look. But this is basically the look I do every day. This is my everyday makeup look, and a lot of the times I do like to glam it up, and just by adding on a pair of lashes I feel like takes this look to a whole nother level. But you could totally just leave it like this. I'm gonna do lashes today just so you can see the full look. And I'm going in with the Lilly lashes in the style Miami. They're so pretty, and on the eyes they just look so good. When you have no makeup on, when you have a full eyeshadow look on. Guys, so now that I have my lashes on, I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips. I'm gonna take the MAC Subculture lip pencil. I promise this isn't the only lip pencil I own, it's just the only one I ever use. And then for my lipstick, I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Melted Liquefied Longwear Lipstick in the color Sugar. Just put that all over my lips. Something about this combination, when this lipstick just dries down, it just goes so perfectly with this lip liner. It's just the perfect nude look. Alright guys, this is the completed look. It's my everyday makeup look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this look. This is my go-to makeup look, what I wear on an everyday basis, hence the name Everyday Makeup Look. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Very simple, very wearable, good on all skin tones. This look is very versatile, so a lot of people can wear it, and it's easy, so who doesn't like that? But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my family. Also, I've been thinking I want to come up with a name for like my channel, like my subscribers, my subbies. I'm thinking of a few ideas in mind, but if you guys had any suggestions, something creative, obviously, because I don't want to copy what everyone else is doing. I was thinking of something like my nickels. I don't know, that's kind of cheesy, but I don't know, I think it's kind of different. But let me know what you guys think. If you guys think of something better, let me know down in the comments. But I want to call you guys something, not just guys. I want you all to be my family. This is my new space here, so yeah. But let me know what you suggest, and thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye guys. Am I in focus? Ugh, that is disgusting. This bruise right here, I had blood drawn like a week ago. About a week ago. I got 5 things of blood taken. 5 things of blood taken out of my arm. And it won't go away. It's disgusting little ugly green color. Oh, it matches my shirt, kind of. You ever hear noises in your own apartment? I feel like someone's here with me, but it's just me. Take 25 and cut. Let's get that Insta selfie. Oh, grr. Behind the scenes of a YouTuber.